everyone, welcome to Fame World Educational Hub. I am Ashwara Saxena and this is the part 3 of Data Analyst interview questions. In this part, we are going to discuss very important questions, so stay tuned till the end. And I am expecting that you have already watched the part 1 and part 2 of this series. Tool specific questions. Question number 21. What is your experience with Tableau or Power BI? If this kind of question is asked to you, describe the projects where you created dashboards or performed data visualization, focusing on the business value delivered. Because these are totally dependent on the projects what you have done. So make sure that you are having some knowledge of these particular tools like Tableau or Power BI and you have practiced them. So you will be able to explain the like tool based specific scenario based questions. Question number 22. Explain a window function in SQL. A window function performs calculations across a set of rows related to current row. For example, rank, running totals. Question number 23. What are pivot tables in Excel? Pivot table summarizes and analyzes large data sets by grouping and aggregating data. Question number 24. How do you use Python for data analysis? Libraries like Pandas, NumPy, are used for the data manipulation, Matplotlib, Seaborn for visualization, scikit-learn for machine learning. And I would like to tell you that all these things are already discussed on this channel. So I will be attaching the links of the NumPy module, Pandas, Matplotlib, Seaborn. All these are present on this channel itself with different playlists. So I will be attaching those series in the description below. So do not forget to check it for your better understandings. Question number 25. What is the difference between a heat map and a scatter plot? So when we talk about heat map, it shows data density using colors. Whereas when we talk about the scatter plot, it plots individual data points to show relationships. Behavioral questions. Question number 26. Describe a challenging data project you worked on. Now, in this kind of question, you can just share details about the problems, your role, steps taken, tools used, and results achieved. You will be describing all about your project in this context. Question number 27. How do you prioritize tasks in a data analysis project? By understanding project goals, stakeholder needs, and focusing on high impact analysis first. Question number 28. How do you ensure data accuracy? By cross validation, data quality checks, automating validation processes. Question number 29. What is your approach to learn new tools or technologies? By hand on practices, online courses, documentation, and community forums. It is very obvious that you have to practice, you have to go through multiple online courses because everybody tell something new. Definitely the documentation is really very good resource when you are willing to learn something new, a particular programming language or a tool, technical like language related modules and all. So those things are very necessary to go through and you can answer in such way. Question number 30. How do you handle tight deadlines? Like when you will be working, like you are giving the interview for your job, definitely. So when you are working in a firm, they expect that you are able to handle the deadlines. So you have to tell that how you handle the deadlines and what is your preferences. So you can say by prioritizing tasks, automating repetitive work, and communicating effectively with the team. We will be discussing about some advanced concepts like ETL processes, dimensional modeling, cloud computing related data analysis, big data, and predictive modeling. These all things I will be discussing in the upcoming videos. So do not forget to subscribe, stay tuned, and see you in the next video.